Gitnesin.
Pintigen presents. Tagawinta motion. Huwag ni mawan si Wakitsipian. Kamusta Jonasing? Away ko yun kang pikiik. Ha? Asang kikentan, huwag na umawan siya yayin. Kinutay wichiwa na wanis na pewete ko takakink. Mi koyak. Kenapa swinge takakkinakose? Ha? Kenapa singe kentan anin kiswichinan? Kising kinutay wichiwa. Pikot siya ni sinabi win. Mianis siya.
Kita andyan na isa ni sinabi?
Pikuanis keget ni nani suwe intanokiwen. Tapita ni wichi ake ginipinapik keko ematsi-sewat. Tasku kin winge wawanen tagon. Miwen si wichi ako ematsi-sekego.
I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light, and made a switch. 2 years. And I fortunately knew a little magic. It's a talent that I always have possessed. And here lately, please don't laugh, I use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed. Pathetic. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cauldron, crying, "Spells, Ursula, please," and I help them. Yes, I do. Now it's happened once or twice. Someone couldn't pay the price, and I'm afraid I had to rake 'em across the coals. Yes, I've had the odd complaint, but on the whole, I've been a saint. To those poor unfortunate souls.